Hello, gardeners. It's me, Keith, the Garden Wise guy. I'm here with an interesting little device I found a number of years ago that helps me with some of my taller growing perennials that have a tendency to get tall and floppy during the summer months. This one right down here below me is a monk's hood, which it'll get about 4 feet tall, and about the time it starts to bloom, it starts to flop open from watering or wind, and then you try to stake it, and it never looks natural again. And besides, who has time for that? So what I've been using are these little grow grids. This one happens to be a circle. It comes in square as well and in different diameters. And this time of year, before the plant gets very tall, I like to put it in the ground, and you just insert the legs into the soil around the plant as you go here. And oh, I hit a tree root. That'll happen. There we go. So now I've got this great little grid growing, sitting right over the top of my plant. All those stems are going to grow up through the grid. And that way, when they do get tall and they start to try to flop, they'll stay together. And this works really great with peonies, because I'm sure you've all tried peony rings, and they're just a round circle with nothing in the middle. So when the plant does finally bloom, all those flowers flop to the outside edge, and the center is open and empty. And it looks silly to me, at least. If you use one of these grids, the plant grows up through the grid, and when the blooms do come on, even if they get heavy from water or what have you, they stay nicely arranged all the way around the top of the plant and look much more natural, and I think more pleasing. So that's something I would recommend that you use. They're called a grow-through grid. And like I said, they come in circles and they come in squares and rectangles, whatever you like to use, whatever size plant you have. That's it for today's little video. I hope you follow me on my website, and that would be gardenwiseguy.com. And like my shirt says, there's never enough plants. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you next time. Thanks a lot for watching.